You can try to the Filipino experience.
Yeah.
Yeah, for the chicken adobo.
Balik, pero sa dahang mo balik na sila, daghan na sila.
It's not too heavy. It's okay.
Yeah. Wait for a while, it's very hot.
Sayang, wala ka na magi.
This is laurel
What is that?
leaves. Laurel leaves.
Okay. Okay.
Mix for the...
And then seed, laurel
What?
seed. Nandyan.
Okay.
Kuha na bread, tuyo bread sa nan kuan. Suka, tuyo suka kay ate kuan.
This is the ingredients
Yeah.
for adobo. And this is the seasoning.
No.
Seasoning magic syrup.
Seasoning.
Magic syrup.
Okay. I don't know.
This seasoning will make good taste in a chicken.
After
Okay.
after to eat there
Paper
in
ba
the
ka nilang
chicken
kuan?
adobo,
Paminta man
I will go in the basketball court.
Yeah.
You can say
Okay.
you can say there.
But this is a pepper seed. Pepper
Paper
seed.
paper, okay.
Seed, yeah.
Whole
Pepper
whole
seed.
paper sa
Oh, whole pepper.
Paminta in Bisaya.
Paminta.
Oh,
Yeah,
yes.
here in.
One lang.
Sendo kayo kayo
Oh.
kumangkong.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's a paminta.
Wait. Wait for
I wait.
wait for a while. You can mix the soy sauce and vinegar.
Yeah,
Ano
yeah.
po, ano?
I put all.
No,
Yeah, I will teach you. You can
Okay.
you can
Kutsilyo. Diba ko na chili?
or I cut.
Oh, yeah.
You can hold there. Hold.
Yes.
Uy, gana po yung sulfur ta kayo kabeta yung sumay. You can mix over there.
Oh.
Yeah, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Oops. Oh, stop. And there, you can hold. You can mix there. Oops.
Okay.
It's okay. You can mix here,
You can mix.
there, here, and here, later.
Okay, later.
Yeah.
So all.
Oh, like something like that. The Filipino
Ah,
is not
okay.
like something.
Okay.
Ito, guys, gas, nakita yun. Are you enjoy to cook?
Yeah.
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 Good.
I
naman.
hope it's a very good cook to.
It's better to explore something
New,
different.
something new.
Yeah.
Uy,
Very
uy,
new.
sik, bawan. Bawan ay. Purat. Okay. Kuha brad na mga supin. Dapat inito na ini pre. Doon ay. Si Jarain mag-mix. Yeah.
This one.
Yeah.
So-
All.
You put all.
To all.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Nice chef cook hire from France.
Wow.
Yeah.
If you go back home, your mom,
I
I will teach you also how to cook the chicken adobo.
Yeah.
Teach it to your
for the
family. Yeah,
for
this
the
is
Filipino.
for the
po.
Filipino. Yeah.
Yeah. She
Because-
will enjoy it.
Because I experienced in the Philippines to cook in the chicken
Someone
adobo.
teach me.
Yeah. My mom is also
More.
very good cooker,
Oh,
Also,
but French cooker.
French cook. Yeah.
but maybe I think the Westerners also really good in
You can-
baking.
Yes.
You like
yes.
You
baking?
can hold
Yes,
it.
I like baking
Good.
more than.
You can mix there.
Okay, magic
Like-
syrup.
That's magic syrup.
Okay.
That will
And-
make a taste, a good
It's
taste.
your turn. You can mix the over
I
there.
mix.
Yeah. Like there, not you can mix over there.
I mix.
Pasuan na to pre.
Okay, garlic,
Garlic, onion.
paminta, mao na yung mga
For the ceviche food, like the mix for the ginger and onion is very
Okay.
nice. For chili.
Ceviche.
Yeah,
But there's also the other the other cook. If you want to suit the onion and garlic,
It's
you
okay,
can
it's okay,
also
it's okay,
Okay.
it's okay.
Mm-mm.
It's okay. It's okay. It's your turn. You can cook there. Kuha na yung oil. The use oil. First,
Okay.
use oil and
yes.
the use oil is very hot. Then here.
Yeah, grabe na.
It's a nice. Bravo.
Oil. That one. It's a cooking
you can-
oil. Cooking oil.
Yeah, you can try to put a...
You put.
No.
No.
Hold it. First, like a...
You put.
No.
I
No,
try.
you can like something.
Just
the
like
wa-
open
like
this.
the water is finished over there. Something like that.
And I have to put this.
Yeah, you can.
Put some.
Just a little.
A little.
A little bit. Not too much.
It's okay.
More.
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 Okay.
More.
Okay.
More a little bit. More a little bit.
More a little bit.
And it's your turn.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ako daan sa cube pre. I hope very delicious
I believe it's very delicious.
because I trust you.
Okay. Put
Because
all.
I trust you because you're so 25. I trust you. Is a good cook. The first is garlic.
The garlic, yes. The garlic.
Okay. The garlic, all garlics. No, it's okay with onion.
Okay.
Yeah, it's okay. And mix. You can cook for the onion. It's mix.
But be careful because the
Yes.
Because the oil is
Okay.
lagsik.
Yeah.
You can mix.
the oil will go
How was your
in a direction.
how was your experience? Okay.
Yeah.
It's a nice.
Very hot.
Oh.
Experience.
Very nice.
Yeah. It's very nice.
And you can put the. You can put the.
Scissor pa ko ani.
You can put.
Scissor pa ko.
Yeah, it's your turn because you're a chef cook. It's over.
Yeah, just all.
Yeah, it's all.
All. Yeah, this way. It's hot.
Initan sila.
Yeah, it's hot.
Hinay, careful. It's very hot.
Slowly.
Slowly.
Yes.
Yay!
You mix it, you mix.
Mix it.
Pakuha ni sa ng luwag na taas-taas kayo pasok sa ito ini. I changed the luwag because
And what?
luwag. Because it's very small, like it's very hot for the,
Yeah.
it's better for the long for the whole luwag.
This one.
Yeah.
Dalong.
Mura.
Very gamay gapon. Mora di gapon. Just the same.
But you can do like that. Do like this.
Like two.
Like the two.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes! Very
It's
good.
good. Very good.
Sige, pakuha na sa cube.
Oh, dyan na. Sa cube.
Oh, it's okay. It's stop now.
The cover.
Stop now.
Okay.
I cover and I waiting to
Okay.
finish.
To boil it.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's okay. Relax and
I relax.
yeah, and you can. My brain is controlled for the body.
Okay. Nice.
I hope very delicious.